Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.
Family feud raged between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. The 5 Pandava brothers, headed by Yudhishthira, lost their kingdom in a gambling match. They were given a house, which was later burnt down, and their wife was grossly insulted in a royal assembly. They were cheated of their vast wealth and exiled for 13 years. The blind king Dhritarashtra supported the wrongdoings of his son Duryodhana. Lord Krishna arranged the negotiations, but nothing was achieved. Inevitable war must take place. All the kings gather with their armies, and Krishna becomes the chariot driver of Arjun. The conches blow and the battle ensues. All eyes on Arjun, the great archer, as he becomes the recipient of the song of God.
Looking around me in this field, I see my relatives have gathered. My grandfather Bhishma, whom I love, my teacher Drona, whom I serve, my brothers and cousins, friends and well-wishers, but they have come for war, which I cannot understand. Why should we fight in battle? This sinful act is not for us. They all stare at me awaiting, but my mouth is drying. I am quivering and sweating. Oh my Lord, my friend, please hear. I cannot. No, I cannot. This war so dreadful. I cannot fight and kill. Degradation ruining our families. Godlessness, destruction. O Lord, I am confused. I know not what is my duty, what is to be done. My dear Lord, I surrender unto you. I become your disciple. Kindly instruct me as you see fit.
Oh, my dear Arjun, why this weakness? Your learned words hold no ground. Now you stand before your relatives, a feeling of compassion, lamentation, but the learned and wise grieve not, whether for the living or the dead. Arjun, you have misplaced your love, an attachment which is temporary. Death, of which you are scared, is but a reality we all have to see. It is only a change. Boyhood to youth, to old age, then death. But the soul does not die. Only a new beginning, like old garments worn and torn, cast off for fresh clothing. We do not lament for that. So why death, which is the same? You are eternal. These kings too, your grandfather and teacher, all eternal souls who will continue to live.
O my lord, what shall I do? Retire to the forest and leave all behind? Or shall I devote my life to the sages?
Fight. Fight, my friend, 'tis your duty. Fight for the supreme cause, your duty. But change only this, your consciousness. Focus it upon me. Think of me. Become my devotee. Offer your work, your thoughts. Offer everything unto me. Whatever you have or eat, offer that unto me. O Arjun, become my devotee, for I am the Supreme Lord, and you are my servant eternally. Rise, revive your love for me. Act in devotion, free from karma and all material motivation. What else is your duty but this? Arjun, I, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, am your friend, and you are my devotee. Hear, as I tell you this, the most confidential knowledge. Allow me to reveal who I am. I am the Supreme Person. From me emanates all the three worlds, both spiritual and mundane. Ha! Everything rests in me, Arjun, just as you see pearls hang upon a thread.
O you with lotus-like eyes, O inexhaustible Lord, if you think I am worthy, kindly show your cosmic form.
Behold, my mystic opulence! Witness my multicolored forms! All things are here, Arjun, as you desire. Moving and not, all before you. See now, this wondrous vision. Eternal, all, expanding, many suns. Thousands, and millions.
I see Brahma, Shiva, sages and serpents, arms, bellies, mouths and eyes, glowing like blazing fire, glowing forms everywhere. No origin, middle, nor end, both wondrous and terrible. Everyone is disturbed, paying their obeisances like moths to a flame. Warriors, enter your mouths, scorching rays, all is devoured. Oh Lord, please, please be gracious to me.
Time I am, the great destroyer. I will terminate everyone. Other than the Pandavas, all the soldiers on the battlefield will be slain. So fight! Fight, my friend, 'tis your duty!
O limitless one, O God of gods, original Father, Supreme Master, I fall at your feet in awe. Oh, my mind is dazzled, perplexed. Will you kindly show me your original form?
O Arjun, now see the form you really desire. Love and serve me, and your life will be perfect. Be fearless, heroic and determined. Austere, simple and pure. Be compassionate, honest and kind. Modest, clean and resourceful. Arjun, be of a divine nature. One so dear to me as this will certainly return home to my abode. This is a promise to my devotees. Arjun, all that I have spoken has been for your benefit. Please, think carefully of all that I have said. Now, you do as you wish.
Oh Lord, my illusion is gone. I am firm and free. My doubts are dispelled. My Lord, I'm prepared to do as you have said. I will take my bow and prepare for battle.
Wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystics, and wherever there is Arjun, the supreme archer, there will also be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality.
Let's have a big hand. Shri Krishna and Shri Arjuna. And Shri Krishna is also known as Sanjay. Round of applause for Sanjay. And representing all of us, bewildered, confused, unsure, don't know what to do, don't want to do anything. Sri Arjuna. Jai. But of course, Arjuna, he did what had to be done. He did what Lord Krishna wanted him to do.